quill was the best? Was it Moss Flower? Or whatever? Or was the prequel? Alright, so we got that. WebKit scaling working. So let's do that. Okay, so we want to have a login warning for the single player missions. So let's go ahead and do that. So what do we have a login warning for? Right now we have it for the multiplayer main menu. So why don't we just copy that login warning out and use that. So that's in screens, multiplayer main screen JS. Let me see, what does it look like right now? So you go to multiplayer and it just says you can play without logging in, but some features will be unavailable. Your game will not be publicly available. I think that's pretty much what I want to do is this notification, and it's in the multiplayer host screen. So let's go to the mission selection screen. And does the mission selection screen have the login? It doesn't have the login button. It doesn't have the online status thumb. Okay, so let's go to the multiplayer selection screen. What is this in the multiplayer host screen? This is inside of setup? Yeah, alright. So where is setup? Setup. Your game will not be publicly available. Would you like to log in? No. I'd like a little thumb right here for this guy, for the login thumb. So let's go add that login thumb. So the thing that has it would be the host screen, so I need to close some of these screens. So mission selection, and then main menu has got this thing, so why don't we grab it from there. Platform hook, so it's inside of the body. So if we do platform hook in there, Alright, and we've got our platform hook right down there. So what we'd like to do is we probably want to move this stuff up. So let's grab our mission selection screen background. This middle content. And that's going to be here. So how far can we move it up? Like, we're going to need to just squish it. That's what it looks like. We're going to need to move everything. So single player missions, we'll move that to the top of the screen. So let's start there. So top, we got -32. Why don't we just do 37? So we move it up by 5. Alright, so that puts it at the top, so we can move this guy up by 5 as well. And then we can move the bottom bar up. So it's going to be 48. No, that's 47. Let's see how that looks. Pretty much what I would like to do in that case is get rid of this bottom bar stuff entirely and just like we got the bottom bar, so what if we got rid of the green background? So we'd probably want some other sort of wrapper on these guys. So let's see what we would have for that. Let's see, so we've got the bottom bar, so div class equals mission selection, bottom left bar, and we'll throw those buttons inside of it. Alright, so if we change these, we can make it so this guy is like 20 V-min? 20 and 20? This guy should be whiter. 26. If they're both 26, then this guy needs to be more centered. So the back button looks like that. That'll do it. So that's not 26, is it? It's like a 27. Alright, so that'll work for those guys. What time is it in Australia? It is 8 in the morning, so you're bright and early. So let's see how that looks in the game. Would you like to log in? Yes, I would. Alright, so that's all there. Alright, so this background here needs to probably be changed to be a little whiter, right? So for me to do that, I need to actually set up a fully local environment for this guy. I haven't done that in a while. So you shut off soonish? Yeah, it's true. Alright, so we want to be development editor. Platform environment, local. Alright, so we should be able to boot up our local server then. Alright, so in order to edit this, we need to go to the www folder. So services, www, I think what it's the auth page. So we've got this auth background, which has a width and a height of 8 by 6. So it needs to be wider, so so 1.333 times 90? 120? me try it at 100 by 75. Left is negative 41. Why 41? Wouldn't it have been like half of the width or something like that? Makes no real sense. Let's see how it looks with that style. It's pretty close. We want it to be a little bit bigger. So maybe a little bit, not bigger, but a little bit taller. So that looks like it works. We need this connect with Twitch button to be a little bit lower on the screen though now. So where is that? Like there's a fucking sign in that's just hidden up there. You can't even see it. So let's just remove that since nobody gives a shit about it. So we've got our login button here, which is class Twitch Connect and button. Maybe if we just give it a few more BRs, it'll just do what it should. Yeah, there it goes. See how that looks in the game. Yeah, so that looks a lot cleaner than it used to. Alright, looks like that finish page also has some issues. This sign in status sort of thing is also looking pretty dumb. Cool. Alright, so that's fixed. So tab menu is the next thing. So tab menu for objectives is busted. So let's go take a look at that. So that's going to be in levels, training. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so our tab menu here just looks really shitty. So the question is, should we even have this tab menu? I think the answer is probably no. It's just not very helpful. So why don't we just take it out? I don't see any reason to have it. It's just not very useful. I think I'll just take them off the HUD. Complete man. Jesus Christ. Looks so resolution. So low resolution. Cool, so we got that going. 10 days for the next update. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we got that. So next thing would be creating like a medium tier bot AI. Not gonna mess with that today. So this will be documentation on the wiki on how to create missions. So that's the next thing, is documentation. Alright, so if that's true, then what I want to do is I want to check in the things. Let's make sure I got that set. Let's see, so ball reset, mission selection, ranks, loading into stages, no rank equals no stage abacus line, WebKit UI scaling, login warning, remove tab menu for missions. Game. Alright, so that's going on. And I'll need to kick off a build for stuff. So let's go ahead and kick off a Dashkin Java server build. So that's building for us. So I need to go to the wiki, right? Document how to actually create these things. So let's see. How the hell do we make a page? It's been so long since I messed around with this crap. There we go. That's probably what I want to do, is I want to duplicate this page. Source, local server setup, destination, missions. The stream is buffering in 240p. Well, since everything got completely fucked up, I'm now streaming at 1280p. Because I didn't set up the settings very well. Alright, so I need to edit all the things here. This page provides instruction and overview for missions, as well as instructions for setting or creating your own missions, your own mission data files. Missions. What are missions? Missions are single player. You're on desktop, phone app, totally broken. Can't even. Yeah, the phone app for high resolution stuff just doesn't fucking work. And also, if because Adam's actually popular, right? So he has quality settings all the time, and I do not. So as a result, the quality settings get more screwed up for people who aren't popular. Because he's a partner, right? So he gets extra things. The only times I've watched streams on phones is when the internet and like power goes out. And then I'm just like, what the hell am I supposed to do? The 1950s must have sucked. Alright, so missions are single player experiences in which a user can compete within a certain. I don't know, fuck, what the hell is a mission? It's a single player game in which a user must complete a series of stages in order to achieve a certain rank and completion level. Missions can span multiple stages and in which different levels, sublevels, game modes, and cutscenes can be used. So let's see. Missions have a category. I guess I should overview a list of things that actually matter. Also the 1850s. A stage is a single ranked. I guess I should have ranks on here. The simplest mission is a single stage on a level with the mission controlling the victory loss conditions. The stage merely setting up the map and objectives for the user. The stage is a single single map with a set of victory and loss conditions in which the player can achieve a rank. Usually, the stage can load in extra sublevels. Can load in sublevels for additional content. Let's see, sublevels. Alright, let's see what this looks like right now. Mission stages, ranks. Alright, so ranks. Let's fill out these ranks real quick. So this will be name, rank, and description. So this will be none. Let's see. I guess we just need 2, so it's just going to be rank and description. This rank isn't included tier list, but is used for when a user has completed a level, but not achieved any rank. And if I didn't know, if we were going to have like a super awesome wiki, I'd also have like a little picture of all the ranks, but I'm not going to do that. This rank is shown for completing bronze tier. This rank is supposed to be easy to achieve. All right. It didn't go in ranks, did it? I must have fucked up my formatting. I don't understand why the fuck the rank data is screwed up here. Like, we have ranks, and then... Is that supposed to have a little bar in front of it or some shit? Yeah, alright. Alright, so let's take a look at what list of missions we actually have. So we need to go to our game data. Alright, I'm gonna need a little bit more for this. Alright, so let's go to levels. We'll go to grasslands 01. Alright, so forest night 01 is alright, then we got CD cavern 01, cavern 02, and training. Alright, this one is the Howling Cavern map with lots of multicolored plants. I don't know what the fuck they're called. Yeah, and if you're still here, Adam, I added the caverns map to everything, so it's available for selection. I of course put all the placeholder cool cavern stuff back in there because I think they should be the caverns of cool should be in existence somewhere, right? So caverns 2. This is a new map. that is unavailable yet. As the small training court with 4 goals. Small training court. Let's see, so we have sublevels. The Sunny Day map has lots of sublevels. So we've got SL, multiplayer 01, there it is. Ice caverns, yeah. Everybody needs ice caves, right? What the fuck? God, this... Did that just eat my fucking changes? Good thing I'm a server engineer. That's all I gotta say about that. Just because it ate my changes doesn't mean I didn't back them up even while I'm fucking working on it. There we go. That's better. Alright, so levels and sublevels, so we should actually change this to be just levels. It's gotta be like just every aspect of my life. I really like that I've had training to just always fucking save backups of everything. Just saves me so much frustration. It's like I should probably open up this wiki page on my other screen, just so I can, you know, have a reference and also copy paste anything I fuck up. And it's like, yep, there you go. Alright, so we'll go over all these. So there is SL collect toot 01, the easy collection bracket sec. Next one is SL dist shoot 201. The small distance shoot tutorial. We've got SL precise shoot tutorial 01. The small distance We have SL Tower 01. The tower, the pop-up tower mission. Pop-up tower sublevel. Also got SL wall jump 01. The wall jumping collection mission. So what does that look like? See what this looks like. We have sublevels, then we have GL Sunny Day. Yeah, that looks more like what I'd want it to be. Use sparingly. What? Don't tell me what to do, markup. Now, does the training mission have a multiplayer sublevel? Yep, of course it does. Everybody's got a multiplayer sublevel. Yeah, how dare those snarky ass tooltips tell me what the fuck to do. Alright. This is the list of available sublevels to be used by your stage. And then this is the list of levels which can be used by your stage. Alright. The recommended setup for a stage for a mission is to have a single stage. Let's see, we want a list. How do we do a fucking list? It's just the pound sign. Have a single stage. Have the mission control victory and loss conditions. Have the stage control the game mode, map, and color schemes. Include the, let's see, what are the checkboxes for these missions? So like team 1 has got load multiplayer sublevel. Have the stage control the game mode map and color schemes, include the multiplayer sublevel. Yeah. The mission control the tier ranking conditions. Let's see. Skip the, have the stage skip the post stage screen. Use time for a ranking condition. Use goals for a victory condition. Use goals for a victory condition. Use goals or time for a loss condition. Have the mission always unlocked. Alright, we're also getting some troubleshooting.